Hey, welcome. As I told you, I'm going to be doing an Rabe F8F Bearcat with a Sato 72 in it. And Walter Umlin had supplied the kit, and that was a couple of years ago, and I've been sitting on that. Rabe has come through with 15 of his construction videos, and today I'm kind of running through them to see which ones work and see which ones don't. So far we have one, and it's the very first one. But I did search the web, and I found some footage of a real F8F Bearcat, and I thought we'd give it a listen. So let's hear the motor run, and then we'll get to Al's tape. Is that not cool? Like I say, I'm going to be rooting through these tapes, putting something together, and we'll see if we can't make something totally unique. So we'll see you in a short. Well, I've dug it up, and looks to me like he's putting the rudder together here. And we'll sit back and watch just a few minutes, and it'll kind of give you a sampling of exactly what we're going to be doing here in the coming months. So let's take a look at what Al's got going on here.
Now these last two little pieces here can actually be shoved up in here, and the fin spreader here actually goes in here as necessary to make this part of the fin meet the size of the fuselage. This can be widened, just cut it, drive a wedge up in there, or it can be thin, but more likely it needs to be wider. And so that's the way that the bottom of the fuselage is made to fit. Okay, let's get these little pieces out of here. Okay, these little pieces can be put right in here, and I squeeze the fuselage down on them and CA it. Now I'm going to run some CA up this forward piece, and that is that. with a vertical fan. Nice shape. When all this is sanded, this will actually blend all in together. No problem at all. And it's got a really neat shape putting on the fuselage. So, that's the procedure for building the tail surfaces of this machine. And I did wet the balsa in this area to help. It is A-grain, but nevertheless, it needed a little help to get that bulkhead up in there. But it's up in there now, looking great. Fin spreader as required. It helps this to match the aft fuselage exactly, so that you don't have a fillet there, and don't get it in the way of the elevator horn. This trims off the glue to the top of the stab. And now for a couple of minor differences with the
A total unique way to build things, isn't it?
Elevator is that it has to be bent to clear the rudder push rod. And so we put just a little longer rib in here. And we put a short block up in here. Now that short block is actually where the rudder horn is going to be, or the elevator end of the rudder push rod horn, or the rudder horn. Now we pull off another 30 or 40 pieces of masking tape and put the top on this one. Okay, we're left over with a couple of pieces. This is the bottom of a fake bulkhead A and the bottom of a fake bulkhead C, leading edge bulkhead. These will be used for the assembly of the cowling, as explained in the videos. The control surfaces, the tail surfaces are still not sanded, but sanded and finished, this should weigh considerably less than 2 ounces, probably around 55 grams or so, 50 to 55 grams. The vertical fin and rudder, when finally sanded, should be less than half an ounce, probably about 12 grams. So the tail surfaces are very light, very strong, and present an appealing appearance.
Well, that's the end of that section of the tape. That's just giving you a little sample of Al's work and what we're going to be doing here. I sure hope you're enjoying the Stunt Hanger broadcast. I know some don't. Tough. You can do better. Show me. Anyway, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And there's a little bell between the subscribe button and you have to ring that bell. You have to click on that bell in order to be notified of when I upload my next video. So make sure you do that, and I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you're enjoying Stunt Hanger. So till we see you again, fair winds, tight line. See ya!